Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a review of the Tinder dating app. Tinder is known for its simple swiping mechanic. Users view profiles one at a time and swipe right to like someone or left to pass. When two users like each other, a match is created, and they can start sending messages. The system is easy to learn and works well for beginners. The app also includes discovery settings that let users filter potential matches by age and location, with a range of up to 100 miles. The passport feature is useful for travelers because it allows users to connect with people in other cities and countries before arriving there. To improve trust and reduce fake accounts, Tinder offers photo and video verification. Verified users receive a blue checkmark on their profiles, helping others know that the account is real. Safety features such as location sharing through Noonlight and work mode on desktop provide additional control and privacy. The free version also lets users browse, match, and message without paying, although daily likes are limited. On the downside, Tinder is often linked with casual dating, so users seeking serious relationships may prefer other apps. Premium plans like Plus, Gold, and Platinum can be expensive, and many users feel that paid features do not always lead to better results. Some users also believe that highly attractive profiles receive most of the attention, making it harder for others to stand out. Thanks for watching.